Are you looking for a quick way to personalize emails in GetResponse and boost your email marketing game? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to personalize your emails in GetResponse so you can better engage with your audience and improve your campaign results. Let's dive in. First off, when you're using GetResponse to create email campaigns, personalization is key to making your emails stand out. With GetResponse, personalizing emails is super easy, and it helps make your subscribers feel like you're speaking directly to them. Next, let's talk about the basics of personalization. In GetResponse, you can personalize your emails using dynamic content like subscribers' names. This is done through merge tags. You simply insert the merge tag wherever you want to include the subscriber's first name. You'll use something like sname for the first name. This tag automatically pulls the data from your subscriber list. This simple trick will instantly give your emails a more personal touch. The third thing you need to know is how to use segmentation. GetResponse allows you to create segments based on different criteria like location, behavior, or even purchase history. By segmenting your audience, you can send personalized emails that are more relevant to each group. You're not sending the same generic message to everyone, which greatly improves engagement rates. Another powerful way to personalize emails is through automated workflows. In GetResponse, you can set up automated sequences that trigger based on specific actions a subscriber takes, like opening an email, clicking a link, or making a purchase. These workflows are super customizable, allowing you to send personalized follow-ups based on how your subscribers interact with your emails. The next thing that makes GetResponse stand out is its advanced analytics. By tracking your email performance, you can see which personalized content works best for your audience. The data will tell you which subject lines, images, and personalized offers are getting the most attention, helping you refine your future campaigns. Now, while GetResponse is an excellent tool for personalizing emails, it's not without its flaws. The interface can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and the email design options, while solid, could be more flexible. Also, if you're looking for a highly advanced personalization system, you might find GetResponse lacking in certain areas. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm also going to mention some alternatives that could be a better fit for your needs. For example, if you're after a more intuitive design experience with advanced segmentation features, tools like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp could be great alternatives to GetResponse. Both of these have really good free trials that let you explore the personalization features before committing to a paid plan. Before we wrap up, I want to share something special. If you're interested in GetResponse, we've got an exclusive deal just for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and some awesome benefits you won't find anywhere else. And remember, we've also mentioned some powerful alternatives that could be a better fit for your email personalization goals, all with free trials available. So, whether you stick with GetResponse or decide to try something else, you've got the tools to personalize emails like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for your exclusive trial and amazing alternatives.